Hello, everybody. How are you all? Hope you are doing great. I'm Dr. Yogesh Kumar. Very few amongst the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcomes you all to my short telling you about internal combustion engine. The engine in which the combustion of fuel takes place inside the engine cylinder are termed as internal combustion engines, which run on motorcycle, cars, uh, buses, trucks, or moving machine, etc. Few traits are necessary for internal combustion engines: maximum power, minimum fuel consumption, smoothness of operation, and minimum pollution. The calorific value of internal combustion engines should be reasonably high. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.